us, yeah. And is it me that you want, me that you want? Cause me.
One missed call, 2 times hanging up, 3 FaceTimes, 4 not picking up, 5 you play, 6 times rolling up, 7 all day. This shit great.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Smiley Simone here. So today I'm here with a hair tutorial. I'm going to be doing a low, sleek, curly ponytail. This is definitely something never before seen on my channel. I always do makeup tutorials, and I think I've done like one mukbang, but mostly all of my video content is dedicated to doing makeup tutorials. But today I'm going to be shaking things up a bit and doing a hair tutorial. We're going to jump straight into this video. So this is my hair. It's about a week old. This is just how I wear my hair when I'm lazy and I don't feel like doing anything special. I just kind of fluff it out, spray some spritz on it, and make it like a little mini fro, I guess you could say. So the first thing I'm going to do is take my spray bottle. This is just pure water in here, and I am going to spray my hair down so that we can begin making it flat. Okay, so next I'm gonna go ahead and comb my hair out a little bit. It's probably pretty tangly since I haven't combed it out in a few days. What I'm gonna do basically is make my part. Don't mind this white stuff in my hair, that's just from the curling cream I used this morning. But what I'm gonna do is take my rat tail comb and I am going to part my hair how I want it. I'm doing a middle part. You can do a side part, you can do, you know, no part, you can comb it straight to the back. But for me, I am going to do a middle part because I haven't worn a middle part in a minute. And they were kind of cute. They're not like my favorite, but they're cute. Okay, y'all, so this is the problem I have. I always do it crookedly. Like, my head is so, let's see. Guys, what do you guys think? I think it looks pretty straight. Okay, so that's good enough. So we're gonna continue combing through our nappy naps. So next we're just gonna take some Eco Styling Gel. This is the regular olive oil one. A generous amount of that, and I am going to apply it on my hair to begin the flattening process. Okay, so now you need a brush. You can take any brush. I'm using a bristle brush, and it's kind of firm, so I'm just going to begin brushing down and flattening my hair. Once again, don't mind the white stuff in my hair that you see right here. That's just the curling cream and all the other hair products that I've been putting in my hair this week. Okay, so now I am brushing the hair back, and I am going to put it in a hair tie. Okay. Okay, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my hair tie and I'm going to wrap that bad boy around. Okay, and I just closed it in like a tight bun, just like so. Alright y'all, so this is what we are looking like. So far so good. So now I am taking my toothbrush, and no, this is not the toothbrush I used to brush my teeth, y'all. This is a toothbrush I used to slay my edges. My toothbrush, and I'm going to dip it down in my gel, and I'm just going to lay down my edges really quickly. pull out some of my sideburns right here. And I'm going to brush it down like so. So that is what it is looking like, girls. So we can put the gel away for a while. We're gonna get started on the ponytail. This is like some leftover hair from my sew-in that I got like a few years ago. I think both of these pieces that I have here equal up to like a bundle. I think it was a full bundle. I just cut it. First, I'm gonna take the short weft of hair, and then I'm also gonna take my bobby pins, which I have in this little cap, just some black bobby pins. I'm gonna take this corner of the hair, place it right here on my bun, and just continue wrapping it around. And then where the weft stops and you have no more to wrap around your bun, you're going to take another bobby pin and pin it into place. Also have another weft of hair, and this one is much longer, so I'm going to repeat the same process on my bun just to make my ponytail look a little bit more fuller. Whew. So this is what your ponytail should look like. We are not done though. This is what it should look like from the back. I put mine kind of more towards this side so I can throw it across the front of my shoulders. But this is what it should look like. I am going to take my spray bottle once again, and I am going to spray down my ponytail, wet it down. Because this hair is beautiful when it's wet. It's like that crinkly texture, and it's so pretty. Y'all need some more water. Okay, let's see, y'all. I'm making a mess. Comb it out. Is what our ponytail looks like. The last step that we need to do is take a piece of hair. We are going to hide the hairband. So I'm going to take this piece of hair right here, and I am going to begin wrapping it around the entire ponytail. Let me turn around so I can show y'all what I'm talking about. And this is going to hide the weft so that you can't tell. I hope you guys enjoyed my first hair tutorial here on my YouTube channel. Let me know what you guys think of this hairstyle. In my opinion, I think it's cute, I think it's quick, and I think it's super duper easy. Let me know what you guys thought about this video. Was it helpful? Did you like it? Are you going to recreate this look? Also, give this video a huge thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And if you are not already subscribed, girl, what are you doing? Hit that subscribe button so that you do not miss another video, honey. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye. Mwah.